guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simple Life with Joy. For today's video is I have to show you how to cook Sisig Galunggong. So that is my nanang's special dish, Sisig Galunggong. Yan guys, yeah. So ito po yung pinaka-paborito niyang lutuin kapag may isda at yung yumao kong tatay is yun nga paborito din niya po ito na na ulam. So ito yung sisig galunggong. So para hindi na tayo magtatagal, gawin na natin ang mga ingredients. Here's my ingredients, guys. This is galunggong, garlic, sibuyas, paminta, mantika, asin, saka suka. So, first and foremost, we have to clean the fish. Not only this kind of fish you have to cook, guys, or you have to use. You can also use other kind of fish like bangos, milkfish, tilapia, salmon, tuna. You can do that too. But in my mom's specialty, she always use the galunggong. So what my mom's told me to do is we have to separate the meat from that fish. So we have to do it now. So we have to separate the meat from the fish. So kumbaga i-debone natin. So yan. Be careful your hand and make sure that your knife is sharp. Make sure that you have to watch out your hand. So you have to do it like this. To separate the meat there. Okay, like this, guys. You have to separate like this. See? So let's do the rest. Okay guys, last one. So guys, I forgot to mention to you that one of the ingredients also is chili. So those doesn't love to eat spicy, you can just skip that. But me, I love spicy food. So I put chili to this dish. We're done. This is the meat of the galunggong. I take it out the meat from that fish. So now we have to wash it, and then we have to mince this meat of the fish. Okay guys, I already washed the fish, so it's time to mince it. We have to mince it, guys. Not really mince, but we have to cut it like this. We have to cut it like this, guys. Yeah, like that. So, pagpatuloy natin. Okay, we almost done. So after cutting this meat fish into pieces, and then we will do like this, mince a little bit. Not really mince, but you have to cut it like this. Tatarin. Okay, after that, so I'm done. I'm done mincing the meat of the fish. Time now to put some seasonings. So first I have to put 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of salt. Black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, and suka, guys, vinegar. So let's make it. The next is vinegar. Let's put 1/4 of vinegar. Okay. Then mix together. Mix well. All right. Okay. So this is already seasoned, but seasoned with salt, black pepper, and vinegar. So now we have to set aside and slice the onion and garlic. Guys, it's time now to slice the garlic, the onion, and those guys here, my favorite. Without this, I'm not satisfied with my dish. It's chili, guys, chilies. It's so spicy, chilies. So now we have to slice now the onion. The more onion, the more taste yummy. Onion pa lang, ulam na. Diba? Oopsie. And guys. So, this is my version, guys. So, my mom's version. This is Sisig Galunggong. This is Sisig Galunggong. My nanang's version. So, those people are asking me what kind of dish is this. This is my mom's dish. My mother, my one and only mother, Nanang Ninang's dish. So this is her favorite. Yan. Lagay natin doon. Tapos, last is the chili. Oh my god, this is very spicy, guys. Very spicy. This is optional. If you doesn't want to eat spicy, skip this. You have to skip chili. It's okay. Okay, that's done. So let's start cooking. Guys, we have to put now the hot chilies, guys. There, dump it there. Okay. So this is so spicy, guys. Very spicy. Masarap. This is needed rice again. Rice is life. There, see? Now it's done. Very good. That's done. So we have to put now to the bowl. Ayan. Woo! Paparami na naman ng kanin nito, guys. Masarap. Guys, we have to put it on the magic plate. Looks yummy, tastes yummy, smell it's good. Here you go. Ate Mila, you have to try this, Ate Mila. Ate Mila from Edmonton. My very good ate, very kind ate. There. So, yan, ang ate ko dyan sa Hong Kong, si Ate Bitang, yan na. Oh, kaganda naman, oh. Ginoo. Yan, shout out. Ate Bet, yan. Sina Larina, shout out kayo dyan. Ate Mila dyan sa Edmonton, yan. Always watching my videos. So fun, Andrea. Yan. Sino pa? Hagusa. Yan. Oh my God. And let's put some garnish. Woohoo! There you go. Look at that. Wow. This is my Sisig Galunggong, guys. Sisig Galunggong. And guys, we're done cooking my Sisig Galunggong. This is my mom's version and also my version. Thank you to my mom. This is Nanang Minang's version. Sisig Galunggong, guys. Try it. And it's really good. So thank you again for watching my video. And if you really like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And then please subscribe Simple Life with Joy. And then hit the bell button below so that you can update anytime if I have new videos. Alright, thank you guys for watching again. Let's try, guys. Okay, try. Let's try. Manghang to. Sarap. This is all for you guys. So, shout out to all. And this is my Sisig Galunggong. Masarap sa rice. It's good to the rice. When you have a steamed rice there, it's good this dish for that rice. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Just follow my recipe, and it's easy and quick, very simple. So thank you again for watching. God bless everyone. Keep safe.